Hold on.
How do you know the gates are down?
I can see them.
Oh, which way is it going?
Nowhere. I don't see it.
Look at the boxes.
West? I hear it. West?
Yep.
There is.
I got some.
Hello.
8869.
Intermodal.
The numbers are
God damn it.
8869.
The
What?
double stack.
What's on your double stack? It's called 8869.
That's a number.
No.
They're fine, they're fine. They can talk, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
What does survival all matching numbers mean?
Means all the parts of the car are ready for the motor.
Everything? Like you just got it?
Like you just bought it off the showroom floor.
What's the showroom for?
Like brand new.
Cool.
Like the 1969?
Which line is
Didn't
he
you
on?
replace something with it?
I get 8869. Oh.
Can you ask if he can make me a Squishmallow one? I'll get my birthday money next year so I can get a giant light up on the Squishmallow. I don't know, ask him if he's
Sorry,
really
a little
like Prince's.
tree in the way, that's okay.
Well, that's what it was.
I just don't want to see anyone's face
Oh
in the
yeah, I
video,
saw
that's
that
all.
video. Did you see the article about, wait, read it.
I know, here.
Someone claimed the COVID-19 vaccine was trying to be for the homosexuals. And Lil Nas X said, yes, this is definitely true. And Lil Nas X said something about it. It was funny.
Oh yeah. Pretty long one.
What?
It's 2139, I think. Wow.
Now Gabe's thinking about how we left.
Not that's it.